Hello my dear crafty friends. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to alter your old clipboard or exam board into this beautiful piece using mixed media technique. Isn't it looking pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need any kind of stencils, black ink, script stamp, liquid glue, gliding glue, gold color leaves, some chalk paints, gesso or mixed media paste, and floral cutouts. And one flat brush. So I am taking my old clipboard, which is very old and it was not looking very nice. So I have decided to alter this and convert it into beautiful clipboard. So I'm just removing the excess paper, and this is approx 4 mm plywood clipboard. So first I'm taking this mixed media 2-in-1 gesso paste. You can also use white acrylic color if you don't have gesso. And I'm painting this whole board from front and back. So this is done. Now I am taking my off-white color chalk paint and painting the front part completely using this color. Like this. So our base is ready. Now I'm taking this stencil and using turquoise blue chalk paint, I'm just dabbing over this stencil. Remember, while stenciling, your brush should be completely dried, and try to use flat brush for this technique. There are stencil brush also available in market, but if you don't have stencil brush, you can just use any kind of flat brush, but it should be dry. So I'm making this pattern here and there randomly. like this. Now I'm taking light green color chalk paint and just giving some strokes from left and right sides in horizontal manner. If you don't have chalk paints, you can use acrylic colors as well. Like this. Now using this crack stencil pattern and medium green acrylic color, I am making some more pattern on the base. In the meanwhile, I am using little black also. Now using this leaf stencil, I am applying gold glidding technique. For this I am using this gold glidding glue and just tapping over the stencil. Now using these gold leaves and applying these leaves on top of my glued portion. These leaves are very delicate, so you have to be very careful while using these leaves. There are 3 colors available in market for these leaves, which are silver, copper and gold. Right now I have only gold, so I am using it, but you can find 3 colors online very easily. Now just rubbing my fingers on these leaves and taking out excess and just creating the pattern. Like this. Isn't it looking very shiny? Now I'm taking this script stamp which is from Mudra, and using black ink I'm just adding this script impression here and there on my board. Then using the same turquoise blue color, I am distressing the edge of board from all four sides using my fingers. Like this. Now I have this flower cutout which is from iCraft. This is called element sheet, and if you don't have flower cutouts you can just draw some colorful flowers on paper and fussy cut this. Now I have applied little glue on back side of this and adhere it to the base. In place of these cutouts you can also use decoupage paper. Remember, it should be completely covered with glue so that it will be flat on the surface. I am also adding some leaves here and there. In the same way, I will add some flowers and leaves on the top corner with the same process. So this is done. Now I am adding some black colored dots here and there using my black permanent marker. You can also splash some spots using black color spray or brush before adding these flowers. But since I have added these flowers, so I am doing it using my black pen. Now you can just put any paper and it is ready to use. You can also apply varnish if you want, but I want to keep it as it is. So the beautiful altered clipboard is ready and my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.